Before we start, it is recommended the appropriate PPE, such as rubber gauntlets and safety goggles, are used when handling hydronic water systems, which may be under pressure, hot, and contain chemical additives. Internal components such as the filter, baffle plate, and magnet grate may also be hot during maintenance. Your X-Pod is here to protect your heating system or your cooling system, but it's important, like any piece of equipment, that we maintain it and we service it. A PD monitor can be installed to measure the pressure difference between the inlet and outlet, alerting you of possible blockages and when it may be time to change the filter. The first thing we need to do is to isolate it from the system. That means turning off the water feeding the unit, thereby making it safe to start the maintenance. The unit is going to struggle to drain until we allow air into the X-Pod. This valve is the manual vent. We're going to open that, which will allow air into the unit, draining the X-Pod. If water continues to come out of the X-Pod, that means it's not isolated. Ensure the system is fully isolated and depressurized before continuing. You have to be mindful that if you do have a blocked filter, it may struggle to drain, but once we get to the filter removal stage, the remainder water will immediately drain away. Stage 4 is to remove the X-Pod lid. Using a suitable tool, we're going to undo the nuts on the retaining arms. If you are in a hurry, you can use a long screwdriver or any tool that can be used as a lever to remove the baffle plate, disengaging the seal on the filter. First of all, we need to demagnetize the magnet grate. Currently, there are 4 magnets inside here which are holding all the magnetite to the metal, so simply by unscrewing each one of these caps, we can remove the magnets. So now we've serviced the X-Pod and we've got all the components back in with a new clean filter. The next and final step is to bring it back into service. To do that, we need to fully close the X-Pod to refill it and vent it. The first thing we're going to do is closing the drain, which is located at the bottom. Then we need to close the tundish valve up at the top, which is also known as the funnel valve. Then we're going to open up the manual vent, the one next to the brass air vent. We're now ready to start filling the vessel. To do that, we open the flow inlet slowly. It's going to start charging with water, and when it's filled, you'll see water coming out of the vent. We now close the manual vent. The water stops, and any other remaining air will come out of the automatic air vent. We have fully charged the line here now, fully opening that valve. The only thing left to do now is to open up the outlet. This will allow water to start circulating through. Remember, for clean systems, change filters regularly. Thanks for watching.